Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Volvo V70. If life is one endless motorway drag, then the superb interior of the second generation of Volvo V70 estate can help take the sting out of it. The front seats are first rate and dashboard is clearly laid out and easy to understand. Tall passengers may struggle a bit for legroom in the back, but a growing family will have no problem, and there's plenty of space for all their clubber. The load bay is huge too, but take care not to bang your head on the tailgate when you're loading, because it doesn't help. It doesn't open high enough. As well as all the space, there's plenty of safety kit, and equipment levels are reasonably generous. What's more, most engines are turbocharged, give strong performance, and in the case of the 5-cylinder units, sound good. The Volvo V70 is pretty good to drive too, while the ride can occasionally be firm. For the most part, the V70 is comfortable and easy to live with. For a big estate, it handles well too, even if it does roll more than an Audi A6 even or a BMW 5-seater touring. You'll have to dig a little deeper into your pockets if you wish to secure our recommended version, the V70 D5. The bargains are petrol engine V70s, which hold on to their value less well and are most affordable than their Audi, BMW or Mercedes-Benz counterparts, provided you do a high enough mileage to justify the diesel's higher asking price. The excellent 40 mpg fuel economy will pay off. The entry-level 140 bhp 2.4 liter petrol engine promises no more than 31.3 mpg, which is only a little better than the 29.7 mpg of the T5. The worst offender is the thirsty 2.5 TR with its claimed 26.4 mpg. You may also need to bargain for a set of tires quite regularly. Performance models and the D5 can get through a set of fronts fairly quickly. Insurance is reasonable, though, with most models falling into Group 36, although the faster patrols are in Group 42 and they are a very expensive Group 43. Inside, the Volvo V70 tends to hang on to its solid build quality long after it has left the factory, so you don't need to worry too much about interior trim working lows. The list recalls is too long to reproduce here, but includes the risk of the detachable tow bar working lows, the electric cooling fan overheating. Has ever checked the necessary work has been done before you buy any car? Like the Volvo S80 Saloon, the V70 can also suffer from front suspension problems. Exhaust heat shields have been known to work themselves loose, and diesel engines can have problems with the fuel injection system. If the engine is reluctant to start or produces lots of black smoke when it does start, look elsewhere. The ultimate all-season Volvo estate is the 4-wheel drive XC70, which rides slightly higher and has more plastic cladding on the body. Performance fans can choose from a 260 bhp T5 or a 300 bhp R, but the V70's chassis doesn't have the sophistication to do all that performance justice. On the other hand, there's plenty of choice for those of us who swim in the mainstream. However, with the entry-level 140 bhp 2.4 petrol under the bonnet, it can feel like rowing against the tide. The 170 bhp 2.4 does a better job, but the best engine is the 185 bhp 2.5 D5 turbo diesel, although the 163 bhp 2.4D is fine too. If you can stretch to it, go for a car SE trim, which will give you leather upholstery and a CD multi-changer. However, the basic S badged cars get air con, a CD player, and 6 airbags. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.